My people, vigilante don't go bust one old mama or this one a grandmama. They talk say this grandmama they use her 7 years old daughter. They do sex slave. In fact, this one na first time why they hear this kind of thing. Where your own grandmama would they use you take they do a shower work. They talk say this girl. Now in commerce I talk say the mama just they use her anyhow. Any small thing mama don't carry her, they give her to men. Say make men use her. This girl she talk this thing for Igbo, for people who even hear Igbo and I go understand what this girl they talk. Well, say the grandmama they always carry her gift to men. See person, grandmama, this will not even be your real mama. Your grandmama wey suppose they pet you, they take care of you. Now she can't do this kind of thing. My people I beg, make una watch the video of how this whole thing take go.
When you go to it? Can you want to make be using? Go to using. I'm a chicken. Brother, no. Huh? But I come again. Every day. And the maga no grandmother come. Imagine hey, the material come down. My grandmother go over there, let me hear them. Madam. Yeah, you be a Calabar man. You're a Calabar man. What is your name? Huh? Miracle. You see what this young girl is saying? How old are you?
7 years.
Huh? 7 years old. What do you go? Well, I couldn't wait for now. All the years old, I'm arrested yesterday. This little girl, I did my grandmother, they use their sex slave. What can you share for 1,500? Then this young man came arrested. I was like this young man I'm arrested sexually every time.
And I don't see this vigilante where do this video. They talk say this vigilante they're from Ogbaku community for Imo State. Now there this one happened. They ask this girl question. Now there this girl they talk say that they always sleep with her. Say even this man where name now Mr. Miracle, they talk say this one a Calabar man. Now on top of small picking, 7 years old girl. Now I want to say now this thing now I want to go do for this girl. This girl talk say anytime when she go this Mr. Miracle shop, this man they always use her. Now the man ask him say use her in what terms? Now there she come they talk say this man they follow her they sleep. And then grandmama they aware of all this thing. Say if they finish all this kind of thing, make una guess how much they give they pay this grandmama. 1,000 naira. 1,000 naira, that is 1,000 naira to 1,500 naira. What be say somebody go even use take buy recharge card? You don't finish. In fact, that day we use and subscribe. This money don't finish. Now waiting this grandmama they collect, they use her picking, they do slave for men. But she will get her body. Why she no use herself, mama? I beg. What will make you no use your own body till they do this kind of thing? We say now this kind small picking. Some people I know they fear God. You know, so they talk to all this grandmama, some of them now winch. I shall say this mama now she be the leader of all witches for that place. Because for grandmama to the reason this kind of thing for her grandpikin, it means say this grandmama na evil grandmama. In fact, me when I hear this story, I don't even feel believe her because I know this kind of thing would they feel for body. Your grandmama will say any small when I know grandmama people they do now. They go they pet you, they go they pamper. Your mama no go even feel beat you for your grandmama place. Now this kind of grandmama where her face don't rumple like person they don't squeeze. Now there she can't decide say now this kind of thing now she won't do for her pikin to take raise money. They can't even ask the girl say, I beg, why your mama? The girl say, Mama, dey Lagos. I beg, mommy, as you know, say you know if you take care of this pikin, what's it make you born this pikin in the first place? Carry your pikin come out from this grandmama place because this grandmama don't already destroy this girl life. You don't already spoil this pikin life. You born pikin, you know, say you know get strength to train the pikin. You know, if you not even born them in the first place. If you not born them, carry her, you know, say no born, go carry her and give her motherless babies home, make her help you take care of your pikin. Because now this one way your grandmama did. I can't wonder. You sure see no be a shower work say the mama go they do for that Lagos. Because if grandmama feed the time pikin to do the in grand pikin to do this one, I can't wonder what in time young pikin to do. That means by the time where the pikin even there with us, now on top of the grandmama bed, the mama go there, they look them. Now she go to tell them sex position where they go they do. Now she go to tell them say, oh my pikin, carry one leg put for ceiling fan, put one nyash for this. Now she go to direct them. Because for grandmama to do this kind of thing, it is surprise me. This woman don't old. When I see the mama now, old woman like this. See this miracle self with this is strong face. You no see anybody, you no get girlfriend wey you wan go use. Na this kind small pikin. Some people say they talk say this one na, I no sure say this one na boy. Na girl she be. Her body just strong, just like this. But this whole matter, the thing dey vex me. I no understand how grandmama go just think of evil things to dey do to their own grandchildren. E mean say nowhere dey safe now. The way children, things dey happen to children, rape cases dey happen to children. E don dey over. In fact, e don too much. But I dey like the fact say now children don dey come outside dey talk all this kind thing. I like am say, you see as the woman dey even try tell the pikin make the pikin no talk. I like as the pikin get the courage, because if pikin start to dey come out, we go begin dey cast out all these kind of people wey dey do this kind bad thing. Judgment wey they go give these people sef, I never know. This mama, they suppose even kill her because she no even what, they no even what call her mama. If they call mama, she no even suppose dey among the numbers. My people, things they really happen. If una no see, if una no hear, una no go no see all these kind of things dey happen. Now this one now here, I want to make her bring am come for now, making herself using her ear, using her eye, see wetin dey happen with her kodo eye. Anything wey una feel, make una no forget to write am for the comment section. Make una no forget to like, share, and also subscribe to this channel. I go see you now for the next video. God just spare one lady life as she sustained serious injury for kidnappers' hand as them attack this lady for Lagos. Then talk say this girl, she dey comot, na there she come order boats ride. Una no boats now, where they just be like Uber. Na there she go order this thing. Say, and she dey comot around 8 p.m. This girl dey go Lekki. Now there I come dey wonder, abeg, where you dey go by 8 p.m? You will be lady where you know say the country no dey safe. Now there you can't decide say 8 wey dey for night, and that time you can't decide say you won't comot. But anyway, this lady talks as they go. Now there some people can't double cross them. Some people them they carry what they even call them black Toyota Matrix. Now there they can't block them for road. So as be they even stab the boat rider, making her watch video of the as they take on this girl from slay queen to beauty beast, making her see as they change her face.
Please, be very careful. This is what they did, my friend. Oh my God.
How your friend?
You see, after collect her phone, collect money, collect everything, you almost killed that day. Government, they say, we are not secure anymore. We are not secure anymore.
Failed government. We are not safe.
Hey, una don see person pikin as her face don't change. In fact, if they tell you na this kind fine girl, you no go even believe it, because this one they don't change her, they don't disfigure her face. Everything don't change from beauty queen to beauty beast. She don't even change totally. Now this whole thing they talk say as then these kidnappers double cross them, now there they can't carry the girl, leave the boat rider. But I know say since all this time they always talk about this boat rider, say it be like say they link with all these kidnappers because so many things don't they happen between them these boat riders. But as it be, they carry this girl. The girl talks as they come carry her go. Now there then these kidnappers they come they argue. One begin press her breast, say the blood say the breast no they big enough to do it in the hey my people wey get small breasts like me, making her they happy because people wey get big breasts now they use they do ritual now. So on a when I no get big breasts, making her they thank on our God because now people wey get big breasts now and they use see as they press this breast, they see and say no, this breast too small, you know if you do it they won't do. Now there they come see say okay, what did they go even use and do? Where they go still even carry this girl go the Babalawo place at BBA. But this girl self hear this thing. Now there she come begin start to dey fight. Then these people start to dey argue with them before we go see to say these people don't carry knife. Start to dey stab this girl. In fact, now God dey on this girl's side. See as they start to dey stab her, she dey argue with them, they do everything. Now there she can't even manage fly come out from the window. In fact, this girl you will Bruce Lee because for you to fly come out from window, it means that you get power, you get energy to even fight these people. Ladies, I beg if now they come out, behind a pepper spray, behind a laser, and I go by making a buy them. They hold all these kinds of things because Nigeria they hot now. Things they always happen. But this girl, they lucky self say as they stab her, she no even. In fact, not just wound now she sustained. And I watch the video as they do her. They still no even to at least they fit treat her. Thank God say she no die. And thank God say they no even go stab her for places where be say the thing go come even worse, affect her life. But me as I dey, they think I'm say that Uber, I say Uber, that boat rider, he know something about this matter. Because if say himself they attack him, why he no come as I can't talk say okay, they attack him in the this so police hospital, I been don't go report for this so police station. We no hear anything about them. So my mind they tell me say this boat rider knows something about this whole matter. Because we know say now that they always attack people inside all these boats ride. And not be today that one they happen, it don't they happen since. So for them to just come, they come double cross and need boat rider can't carry you. It means that somebody don't already inform them. Because for somebody to come block you, you if you could just stop just like that, it means that the person don't trace you. The person don't, and not be only this girl be girl for road. They see other girls who they go fit carry as they find person maybe saying a big breast. They don't see any big breast girl. Now this girl wey still come get small breast and they come. It means say somebody don't inform them as this thing they go. My people, if they come outside, they enter in the house back, making they need that, they thank God. Oh, because Nigeria know they safe again. Making they prepare, making they whole things. The way they kidnap people. And this one will even come happen for Lekki. Almighty Lekki. Where we say all these rich people there. Whiskey, David, all of them, now they live now that kind of place, now this kind of thing can happen. If this kind of thing will happen for like my sister, you wait there Oshodi. In fact, they go bundle you inside sack, carry you, nobody go even hear except say they even carry you. Make we dey very careful, make we dey watchful as we dey come out. Make in fact, as we dey come out, they pray for one mind, they use one mind, they pray to God, say God I beg as I dey come out, oh, make I come back safely. Because now the way they go just even carry you, everybody just they vanish. You go come outside today, tomorrow they go here say, you don't miss, you don't disappear. If you don't disappear, they don't kidnap you. They ask some one kind big money where you go use stay pay. If nobody say God follow this girl there on her side. In fact, if you just hear saying this girl say don't die, I be something don't happen to her. But a woman with a wakurukere waka, where they go by 8 p.m. What do you they find? When we say you don't even fit stay for your area, at least you know say won't come out. You won't go this kind far distance. Come out early. 4 o'clock, 3 o'clock, you did there, you sit down for your house, brekete. You don't think I say you won't come out. Now 8 p.m. where everywhere don't dark. Where ritualists, they don't set, they don't prepare, where their God say, okay, we self won't go invest in our work. Now there you self won't go put head for. I pity you as they take pity you, do your face like I really pity you. But you self next time, they careful. Nowhere you go, they walk out go. Because I know say no responsible picking will just decide unless in a business you they go for. But if not be business and all this na kind work away, you know they even get head. We know they illegal. If not that kind of worker, I no go talk say you deserve this thing. No, I no go talk because I really pity you. If say now my fellow person they do this kind of thing, he go pay me. But next time they careful, they watchful as they come out. Inform people say, now here you they go. Anywhere where they go, ask God, oh God, I beg as they come out to see me through. Even some people say they pray, but they still they carry them. So make we just be careful. Now this kind of matter now happen. I must make a bringer, making ourselves using our eye, see what they really happen for this our Obodo Nigeria. And it's way in our film, making a not forget to write down for the comment section. Making a not forget to like, share, and also subscribe to this channel. I'll see you guys in the next video.